Here's a quick demonstration video of the delivery methods that are available for the medical marijuana program here in the state of Florida, brought to you exclusively by My Florida Green. As you know, and if you don't, now you do, that smokable marijuana is not permitted yet here in the state of Florida. That means you do not have access to the green bud. And I will publicly announce this, that I kind of agree with the restriction, and the reason why is the average patient age, for at least for us, is 62 years old, and out of those 62-year-old patients, 80% of them are cannabis naive, meaning they may have tried it once but they don't remember. So you're not going to hand a sick patient a bag of weed and say, here, this is medicine, go medicate. Okay, what you do have that's available that should suffice for a smoker would be inhalation. All right, this is my marijuana vapor, and this is a pretty good one that I am pretty partial to, and this is brought to you by Knox. Okay, it's very earthy tasting and does definitely do the job. This is a high THC vapor. So the bottom piece is a battery. You light the battery up and it will warm the oil, heat the oil to create a vapor. You have capillaries in your lungs. Once you inhale, you have capillaries in your lungs that trap that compounds and deliver them to your bloodstream instantly. This is the fastest way to deliver the medicine to your body, and that's inhalation. Okay, the typical relief period when you inhale vapor from a marijuana pen will be from 20 minutes to 2 hours. I leave that window open because everyone's different. Okay, second fastest delivery method would be a tincture, all right, would be sublingual. That would be oil that you drop underneath your tongue, all right, and you let that sit there for 60 to 90 seconds, and that's called a sublingual delivery. 20% will absorb in that thin layer underneath your tongue, and 80% will metabolize, come out through your digestive enzymes. Your typical relief period when you do a tincture or a sublingual can range between 3 hours and 6 hours. So you can see this is definitely more of a time-released delivery method, and definitely promotes that harmonic balance, which is what we need in order to heal naturally. Another delivery method that is available is a topical, right? For this is going to be more for a local, pain relief or joint relief. This is a salve or a cream, and there are other methods that the dispensaries offer. I do believe that they're now offering a patch. I believe Sotera is offering a patch, a pain patch that you can put on, so that's going to be a transdermal delivery. There is a nebulizer as well for a nasal spray, which is a quick jolt to the brain, and that's primarily for an epileptic or seizing patient. You also have capsules, okay? Capsules can be a little bit dangerous, so I want to definitely urge extreme caution with capsules, because it's not necessarily as fun as a gummy or an edible, even though it's considered an edible. So when you take a capsule, it's going straight down the hatch, it's going into your digestive system, coming out your enzymes. Sometimes, depending on how fast you metabolize things, it can take an hour or two to hit, or for you to feel the effects. And what happens when you take a pill and you don't feel the effects? You take another one. And unfortunately, it's usually too late at that point, because your relief period can range between 10 and 15 hours with a capsule. So you definitely want to use extreme caution when you're ingesting. Now keep in mind, this is high THC product that I'm discussing here. The THC is the psychoactive part of the plant. The CBD is non-psychoactive. So let's reiterate on that real quickly. So when you inhale or you vape or you're smoking pot even, this is more for pain relief. You're vaping to escape, as my buddy Dr. Mark Hashem states, okay? You're vaping to escape. You're really just treating pain. You're not necessarily promoting harmonic balance by reintroducing cannabinoids into your endocannabinoid system, because it's the fastest in and fastest out. However, when you use a sublingual delivery and you put the oil underneath your tongue, this is more of a time-release delivery method, and as I stated before, you're promoting harmonic balance. And obviously, the capsules is an even slower release, and like I said, I urge extreme caution. I do hear that edibles are coming out here to the market pretty soon, so we have that to look forward to, and multiple levels of different products. So that's just a real quick recap for our patients, as well as any other patient out there that was a little bit confused on the delivery methods. We always recommend and urge our patients to start low, go slow, and gradually increase as you see fit. Have a great weekend. My Florida Green is here to help you.